Hi there. My name is Marine Sargsyan, and I lead economic research at Houzz. Each quarter, we reach out to professionals in the construction industry to assess business activity in the most recent quarter, ask about backlogs, and inquire about their expectations for the upcoming quarter. So far, we have gathered over 10 years of quarterly data that significantly enhances our understanding of the industry. Today, I'm going to share the most recent Houzz Renovation Barometer report and highlight the three main components: business activity for Q2, current wait times, and expectations for the business activity in the months of July, August, and September. I would also love to hear from you, reporting directly from the ground. We do rely on professionals just like you to keep us updated on latest industry trends and insights. Please feel free to reach out to me directly. Before we begin, Houzz is the leading platform for residential remodeling and design, known for its all-in-one software for industry professionals and tools for homeowners to upgrade their homes from start to finish. Houzz community is made of millions of homeowners, home design enthusiasts, as well as home improvement professionals around the world. As promised, I will cover the three major indicators that make up Houzz Renovation Barometer and share our insights on the most recent quarter, the present, and the future. Without further ado, let's dive in. Let me start with the recent business activity indicator. This tracks the business activity in the most recent quarter. Businesses in the construction sector has reported increases in the activity, bringing the indicator to 52. This marks the first positive shift reported since 2 years ago. More specifically, firms report that there were improvements in the project inquiries as well as in committed projects. The improvement in the business performance was observed by both design-build firms as well as build-only remodelers. That said, design-build professionals have reported 11-point uptick in their business activity indicator. Next is project backlog indicator. This is based on survey questions that ask businesses to report wait times. At the start of the quarter, project backlogs are shorter than they were a year ago. The average backlog across the construction industry is 7.6 weeks nationally. That's a significant decline compared to a year ago, where the backlogs stand at 13 weeks. Looking at it by reporting group, the average wait times for build-only and design-build firms are typically the same as the national average, at slightly longer than 7.5 weeks. However, if we break this down geographically, backlogs for the construction sector vary significantly. They go from 6 weeks in the Middle Atlantic Division, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, to almost twice longer in the New England Division. Finally, the outlook for the next 3 months. Businesses in the construction sector are cautiously optimistic. Pros expect improvements in both project inquiries as well as in new committed projects. This is in comparison to Q2, the most recent activity. The positive sentiment is shared among both groups. Build-only and design-build remodelers expect Q3 business performance to be better than in the most recent quarter for the months of April, May, and June. In summary, the construction sector has seen and reported its first positive shift in the business activity since Q3 2022. Both groups, design-build firms as well as build-only professionals, have reported notable increases for the recent quarter. Project backlogs have shortened significantly, signaling quicker turnarounds in the industry. And looking ahead, businesses are optimistic but cautious. They are expecting improvements in project inquiries as well as in committed projects for Q3. That said, while the indicators above 50 showcase the health of the industry, ongoing challenges such as cost and availability of labor and materials are on top of mind for the upcoming months. Thank you so much for your time. If you would like to learn more about our research, please visit us at houzz.com/research. Thank you.